Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. I'm outside right now. The wind's blowing pretty good. We're looking at a chance of more cold weather down past freezing in the next few days. So I'm looking for signs of spring. And I found a few. I am in, and the lighting may change here, but I am in our blueberry patch. And let me show you the blueberries. You see this? It's got buds on it. Does that mean spring? I really don't know, but at least it looks like we've got some signs of spring. And all these, there's 50 of them, have those buds. So that means leaves are fixing to be coming out on them. So here I am on our sidewalk. And we have huckleberries planted on both sides of the sidewalk. That way, if something happens, we can come outside and pick a few berries. Let me show you the huckleberries. Do you see that? The buds are more prominent on the huckleberries. The huckleberries always bloom and produce before the blueberries. And these will have leaves on them within 2 weeks. The blueberries probably within 3 to 4. Isn't that awesome? And all my huckleberry everywhere in our yard, that's what they're doing. They're starting to bud. And plowed ground. Always a sign of spring around here. Plowed ground. Doesn't mean we won't have a freeze, but we always are prepared and ready to plant for whenever it's time. And so Danny keeps the ground plowed. We've got our fencing up. We're ready for English peas. And I'm not sure what's going over here, but English peas are ready. Potatoes are ready. We're getting ready to put sweet potatoes in for slips. So, is spring coming? Flowers. Spring? You decide. These grow just about any time of year, and the animals love them. The fig tree is already putting on green. Not only here, but up there. This one. These are putting on green. So this fig tree is starting to put on a little green. Let's see about the other one. This fig tree is already putting on green. See this? Lots of times these things will bloom out. See? Not really bloom, they'll put out leaves. Should be a better way of saying this. They will have leaves, and you can see it's everywhere. Green at the ends of all of them. And our turkeys, chickens. Oh, when I quit looking, you go to carrying on. And our little bantams somewhere around in there. They're running around. But aren't these turkeys becoming beautiful creatures? Maybe if we watch them just a second, they'll decide they want to gobble again. If I put the camera on them, they really do not care to gobble. All right. And as always, a tractor in the background. Too much, but the rosemary survived this winter. I've got a few violets and strawberries, that sort of thing that survived. But look, Grizz, my catnip survived. It's going to be growing, doing really, really well. So we're going to see if I can keep catnip going just for Grizz. A bird of some sort in that tree right back there. We've had birds for days flying in. We've even had bluebirds, and usually bluebirds are a sign of spring. I just can't catch any today because the wind's blowing so much, and I haven't seen a lot. They're in the trees, and you can hear them. So let's hope spring is just around the corner. We've got another cool snap this next week. Let's hope we get to plant shortly. Thank you guys on Crazy Days.